Read me, with topic.
Racial equity.
3, 2, 1, go.
Racial equity. Racial equity refers to the fair and just treatment of individuals of all races, regardless of their ethnic background, skin color, or cultural heritage. It involves creating a level playing field where everyone has equal access to opportunities, resources, and decision-making power. Racial equity requires recognizing and addressing the systemic barriers and historical injustices that have perpetuated racial inequality, including racism and discrimination. It involves promoting diversity, equity, and inclusion in all aspects of society, including education, healthcare, housing, employment, and criminal justice. Achieving racial equity is a complex and ongoing process that requires the involvement of individuals, institutions, and communities to work together towards a more just and equitable society for all.